Hello and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics workshop with Dr. Barami Hiewishai. Today we are going to look at the Hong Kong Financial Services Corpus. This corpus was created by the Research Center for Professional Communication in English of the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. It is a 7 million words corpus of texts from the financial services industry. So let's get started. First, we can go to the Hong Kong Financial Corpus website. You can find information about the most frequent words in this corpus by clicking on the link here. Also, you can find information about the most frequent two-word congruence by clicking on the link here. So congruence are pairs of words that occur near each other, but there could be a word or words between them. And also their sequences can be shuffled. For example, the word term and long, they can occur far away from each other, or long can occur before the word term. You can do basic searches by typing the search terms in the search box right here. You can type one word, a phrase, or type in both boxes if you would like to find a pair of words that appear near each other. For example, let's type the word maturity. So the website shows 40 concordance lines for the word maturity. If you want to see more context, you can click on the word and more context will be provided. Also, this way of searching only gives you one word form. If you want to search for the lemma, you can scroll down and search for the exact word, the word that starts with your search term, or end with your search term or contain your search term. For example, if we want the word that starts with finance without an E, and then search, you can get finance, finances, financial, and also financing. For advanced searches, you can click on the link here. In the advanced searches, we can type not just 2, but 3 words that occur near each other. You can limit the span to restrict how far these words can be from each other by clicking on the drop-down menu span. You can calculate the association using statistical tests if you only search for 2 words and click yes. You can generate the collocation and set the sequencing of the words on the list right here. So alphabetical list or list by number of instances. Furthermore, you can search in the whole corpus or only in a subcorpus by selecting from the drop-down menu right here. If you want to sort the concordance line, you can click on the drop-down menu here. Okay, so it can be sorted based on the word on the right, the left, or sort based on the position. Sorting based on the position means that the software will show you where the second word occurs on the right of the first word first. After that, it will show you instances where the words in the second box occur on the left of the first word. Okay. So let's give it a try. Let's search for the word equity, investment, and fund. And we want the span of 5 words, so these words should occur quite near each other. And let's sort it based on the word on the left. Okay, and we'll search for the whole corpus. So let's do the search. So here you can see that the word equity, fund, and investment occur near each other within the 5 word span. Okay, and you can see that equity tends to occur right next to the word fund. If you would like to learn more about English used in the financial services sector, you can learn more from this corpus. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.